What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to add any ticket or pass directly into your Apple Wallet on an iPhone, so you never have to fumble through your inbox again. First, locate the ticket you want to add. This could be in your mail app, a text message, or even on the website where you bought it. Often, you will see a bright Add to Apple Wallet button right next to the ticket details. Just tap that button and you'll be taken to a preview of your pass. When the pass appears, look for the Add button in the top right corner of your screen and tap on it. In just a second, your ticket will be saved into Apple Wallet, ready to scan whenever you need it. If you don't yet have the Wallet app on your device, don't worry, it's easy to fix. Open the App Store, search for Wallet, and install the free Apple Wallet app. Once it's on your home screen, open it and you will see a message guiding you to add your first pass. From that point forward, every time you tap Add to Apple Wallet, the process will feel seamless. To make sure your tickets and cards work perfectly when you need them, it's worth checking your Apple Wallet settings. Open up your Settings app, scroll down, and tap Wallet and Apple Pay. Here, you can preview the cards and passes you've already added, and toggle options like mobile data so that the Wallet app can stay connected even if you're away from Wi-Fi. I also recommend turning on Double-Click Side Button, which lets you bring up your wallet instantly by double-clicking the side button. This is a real-time saver when you're rushing through airport security or the theater line. Now, your tickets and passes live in one place, ready whenever you are. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.